Long before the highways, skyscrapers, and the bustling energy of today, Lagos was once a vast, thick rainforest, rich with mangroves, rivers, and wildlife. A land where the forest canopy stretched endlessly, and the lagoon breathed life into the communities that would rise from its banks. The earliest settlers of this land were the Awori people, a subgroup of the Yoruba. They built their homes on the lagoon's edge, creating small fishing and farming communities. To them, the land was sacred. Water, forest, and soil provided everything they needed. Over centuries, Lagos became a meeting point of cultures. The Benin Empire once held influence here, calling the settlement Eko, a name still carried proudly today. Eko was a thriving base of trade and tradition long before foreign sails touched its shores. But change was coming. In the 15th century, Portuguese explorers arrived, drawn by the lagoon's strategic location. They named the land Lagos, after a coastal town in Portugal. Centuries later, the British would come, not just to trade, but to conquer. By the mid-19th century, Lagos was annexed as a British colony. The thick rainforests were gradually cleared. Roads, ports, and administrative centers rose where mangroves once stood. The city began to stretch, absorbing villages, transforming into a hub of commerce and governance. From the colonial era to Nigeria's independence in 1960, Lagos grew rapidly. The rainforest gave way to concrete and steel. Skyscrapers pierced the sky, bridges linked the islands to the mainland, and millions of people from across Nigeria poured into the city seeking opportunity. Today, Lagos stands as Africa's largest megacity, a symbol of resilience and transformation. From the Awori fishing villages, through the colonial footprint of the British, to the unstoppable pulse of Nollywood finance and innovation, Lagos is no longer just a city. It is a story. A story of how a rainforest became a powerhouse. A story of how Eko became Lagos. A story of Africa's mega city, forever alive, forever moving.